We have already discussed about the fertilization process. After fertilization, zygote is formed. Zygote now undergoes different type of phases to become the adult body. Zygote undergoes cleavage. Before discussion about the cleavage, let us know something about cell cycle. When mitosis takes place, two daughter cells are formed. Daughter cells are smaller. They become large before division. To become large and prepare for cell division, interphase happen. Interphase has three phases: G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. G1 is the fast growth phase during which the cell grows to maximum size. S is the DNA synthesis phase where DNA is doubled. And the last phase is G2 phase during which different requirements for cell division are produced. Then the cell divides. It is having a connection with the cleavage. So we have discussed. Let us go to cleavage. Cleavage is repeated mitotic division of the zygote to form morula or blastula. Zygote repeated mitosis करी मोरुला किंबा ब्लास्टुला हेबा पई पद्धति को क्लीवेज बोली कहा जाए. The main purpose of cleavage is to form multicellular embryo from unicellular zygote. एककोशी zygote रू बहुकोशी एम्ब्रियो रे परिणत हेबा प्रक्रिया. You see in the diagram, it is zygote, the first division form 2 cells. This is 4 cells, this is 8 cells, this is 16 cells and this is 32 cells. And here this morula stage, the cells are found to be packed. It is a solid ball of cells, morula. Morula then become blastula. So from here to here, the total stage is called as cleavage. Cleavage mitosis is different from general body mitosis. Cleavage mitosis is different from normal mitosis. In normal mitosis, G1, S and G2 phases take place. But in cleavage mitosis, G1 is absent. Cell is not growing, but synthesis phase, DNA doubling process is more rapid. S phase टा शीघ्र शीघ्र हुए किंतु ग्रोथ हुए नहीं, जहाँफल कि जाइगोट गोटे सेल थिला बेलू जी बड़, 2टा सेल थिला बेलू से बड़, 8टा सेल थिला बेलू से बड़, 32टा सेल थिला बेलू से बड़. सेल रो साइज आस्ते आस्ते कमी कमी जाए. तेणु क्लीवेज माइटोसिस रे G1 एब्सेंट बोली आम कहू. क्लीवेज रो विभिन्न प्रकार टाइप्स ऑफ क्लीवेज. यू सी क्लीवेज 2 टाइप्स, holoblastic cleavage and meroblastic cleavage. Holoblastic cleavage in which division plane is complete, but meroblastic cleavage in which division plane is incomplete. It देखो, the division plane is complete. Here division plane is complete. Here division plane is complete. Here division plane is complete. So it is a holoblastic cleavage. But here division plane is not complete. Only upper part is divided, lower part is not divided. Here upper part is divided, lower part is not divided. Here also upper part is divided but lower part is not divided. It is meroblastic cleavage. Holoblastic cleavage again 2 types, equal and unequal. If 2 different kind of cells are formed, then that is called unequal. If same size is formed, that is equal. Meroblastic cleavage is 2 types. One is called discoidal and second is called superficial. In discoidal, at one end of the zygote cells are formed, but in superficial, whole around the cell division take place. Peripheral part is divided. In cleavage, N by C ratio is very important. N by C means nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Nucleus cytoplasm volume रो अनुपात. N by C is very low in case of zygote, but it is very high in case of the blastomeres or the embryo cells. When the embryo cell cytoplasmic nucleocytoplasmic ratio is equal to body cell cytoplasmic ratio, then only cleavage stop. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଇଗୋଟର ଏନ୍ ବାଇ ସିଟା ବେଶୀ ଥିବ ସରି କମ୍ ଥିବ ସେ ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ିକି ବେଶୀ ହେଇଯିବ, ବଡ଼ିର ସେଲ୍ ଟିକେ ଏନ୍ ବାଇ ସି ବେଶୀ ଥାଏ, ସମାନ ହେଲା ପରେ କ୍ଲିଭେଜ୍ଟା ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. So it is all about cleavage. Cleavage is very important part of embryology. Thank you.